Affordable semi-complete house and lot ba ang hanap mo na around 30 minutes lang from Makati in Metro Manila? If your answer is yes, then keep on watching dahil baka ito na ang dream home mo. Hello, this is Leslie Lazarte and join me for another quick tour of Hana Model here in Minami Residences in General Trias, Cavite. Napakaganda ni Hana Model dahil for only 18,000 pesos monthly down payment, meron ka ng semi-complete finished na bahay na may 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 carports. Fully painted ang loob at labas ng bahay at fully complete ang bathroom. Kasama na din ang wall partition sa bawat kwarto kaya naman malaki ang matitipid mo for renovation dahil livable na ang bahay after turnover. At hindi lang yan, ang pinaka-unique feature ni Hana Model ay pwedeng-pwede mong i-extend ang bahay. Here we have 5 sample designs for Hana Expanded. Meron tayong Hana Expanded na merong 4 bedrooms, meron ding Hana Expanded na may balcony, at meron din nag-extend ng taas at baba, kaya if kailangan mo ng kwarto sa ground